मुझे ढेर सारे प्रॉब्लम्स थे। मेरे को पफी आईज, ब्लोटिंग एंड वेट गेन, स्टिफनेस, बॉडी एक, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, सारे प्रॉब्लम्स थे मेरे को। अभी सब खत्म।
I was like going through a lot of troubles in my, lot of autoimmune problems and my gut problems, and there's so many problems that I was facing because of this autoimmune. There new things are coming up in my body. So I was in US. I tried a lot of things there as well, but nothing worked for me. But this time, this 3 weeks is kind of miracle for me, to be honest.
But with this program, my migraine has gone. My internal problems with the IBS is as good as it's disappeared.
Guys, I was also some problem. I was problem like bloating and constipation issue and some stress issue also. So just by चलो करके देखते हैं. The concept of elimination of diet is too much good, and I think that works better for me. And now I'm feeling much better.
The first thing which you said, gut health is equal to mental health and vice versa. I think that stuck to me. The reason why I enrolled was that. And I think the biggest difference I saw was in my mental health. In terms of clarity, no depression, no temper tantrum.